Aftab, what is that which actually made you choose Poison as your digital debut?
Oh, I think it was the script and the character that I was being offered. And, it was very, very strong character that I've always wanted to do. And it's also the genre that I really love, which is action thrillers. I think it all worked out perfectly because even the director, Vishal Pandya, is a really old friend of mine. And we've done a lot of work together where he's
Mhm.
been an AD to Vikram Bhatt for a lot of films that I did with Vikram. So,
Okay.
throughout these years, and we have this familiarity and this chemistry anyway. So I think it worked out just perfectly. And, the ideal script.
From the trailer, it appears that your character Aditya Singh Rathore, he has very facets to him. Like at one point, I found out that okay, he is very passionate about racing, and he's very passionate about his business. And then at one point, I found him vengeful, and he has that gray shades to him. So how was it playing the character and showcasing that different sides of it?
Yeah, I mean that's exactly the purpose of doing this character because there were so many layers to the character, and you don't know whether he's good or bad, and that's the beauty of the character.
Hmm.
There is so much of mystery and suspense about him as to who he is and why he's here and what is he doing. He does things which are unpredictable, and he's
Hmm.
always got he's got the game. He has full control over the game, so that's really interesting.
So how did you prep for it? What all process went into the preparation of the role?
Yeah, it's something that I've not done too often in my life. Something that I've always actually wanted to do. Frankly, if I tell you, I always wanted to do these kind of characters which have got these elements to it. People are so used to seeing me in comedy or romantic that that unfortunately I didn't get too many chances to do stuff like that. With regards to the prep and stuff, of course, after hearing the script, I would make a lot of notes. I would sit down, make these notes in my head, and then write it down on paper, and then have meetings with my director Vishal and to analyze as to how his body language will be, as in Aditya, the character's body language will be. So we kind of crafted this entire thing in our heads, and then with his help as a director, I we created this, and I took it, in my own perception, I played it. And therefore, Aditya Singh Rathore was born.
So these elements of crime, revenge, action, thriller, these are, I would say that they have become very much common in the digital space. We have been seeing web series which have all these elements. So what is that about Poison 2 which makes it different or which will make it stand out from the rest of the web series that are available?
See, revenge as an emotion is very attractive. There's
Hmm.
always this intrigue factor and it's very appealing. You always want to know something more about revenge. So revenge being the base of the show, it's got a lot of other facets to it besides the fact that you have people wanting to take revenge. But how they take revenge, who are these people, what is the plot, what is the story, what are these characters, where are they from?
Hmm.
That are the separate layers that formulate in the script.
Hmm.
And so therefore, even when you say what is so special, I think every time you feel that you know who these characters are and what they're up to, you'll be proven wrong. And that's, I don't want to say too much because I want you to enjoy the show, and I want the people who watch this interview to enjoy the show, and let all the chips fall in their place and unfold naturally. So I think that is what the X factor in the show is, and that's what's special about it.
So you were among the first few to resume the shooting amid the coronavirus, and then
Yeah.
you had said that we need to learn how to live with it. So did your
Yep.
perspective change after you tested positive, or you still believe that we should learn?
No,
Okay.
not at all. Not at all. I will not go back on my word and say that because that is still the truth. Aren't we living with it? Don't we have to all work for a living? Just because I got COVID doesn't mean that I'm going to lose faith in my work. I will fight back. I'm a warrior. I'm a soldier. I'll fight back. I will work. Of course, you can't be stupid about it. You have to take the necessary precautions. But always there will be some sort of a tiny bit of calculated risk because you will be exposed to various substances, to various objects, to various people, to various props, anything that could be infected, or someone who's asymptomatic who you'll never even know. So these are the little bit of calculated risks that one will have to take. Otherwise, one has to just sit at home.
You said I was reading one interview where you said that half of the portion of Poison 2 was shot before the lockdown and half of it was shot after unlock happened. So what
Yeah.
difference happened? Like, was it difficult to shoot during like taking all these precautions? How was it on the sets after you started shooting, wearing all those masks and everything?
So one thing that I noticed when we went back on sets, of course, there were only 10 or 15 people on the set at all points of time. There was not a massive crew. There were just the people who were required on the sets at that point of time. Then there was people, everybody in masks or ease or wearing these face shields and stuff like that. And and there were sanitizers everywhere. There was a note, give all the guidelines, don't do this, do that. Excuse me, there were no outsiders allowed on the set. If we're shooting at a particular location and there is provision to stay, we would stay back at the location, not travel back home.
Okay.
For the X amount of days. So these tweakings we had to do, even on the script level, on a creative level. If a certain physical proximity is not required with a co-actor, then they will make you stand a little apart. These small things were tweaked, and that was keeping in mind that we all want to be safe, but at the same time we want to work.
And lastly, Aftab, I would like to congratulate you for becoming a parent. And I want to know, like, how do you now plan to balance between work and spending time with your daughter? Because I'm sure you would be looking forward to spend time with her.
Yes, I am, and I'm with her at the moment, and I'm loving it. Obviously, a man's got to work as well, and a man's got to do what he needs to do. But I think it's a balance that one will have to take, and one will have to try and chalk out in life. But I want to be a hands-on father. I don't want to be one of those fathers who just leaves it all to my wife. I want to be involved with every single thing. So I will, and I'm going to make in all the efforts that I can to balance that act out.